Now that you've learned how to manipulate objects, let's dive into materials and texturing. This will allow you to customize the look of your models by adding colors, textures, reflections, and more. Select the object you want to apply materials to. On the left toolbar, and select Material. At the bottom of the Material panel, you'll see several tools. Color, apply a solid color. Texture, apply an image-based texture. Reflection, adjust how reflective the material is. Transparency, control the material's transparency. Normal, add depth using normal maps. Pixel bleed, prevent visible seams on textures. Auto cull, optimize rendering by culling hidden faces. If you just want to change the color of your object, tap the color box and choose any color from the palette. Experiment with these sliders to get the perfect look for your model. Now, let's apply a texture. A texture is an image that wraps around your 3D object to create realistic details. To add one, tap Texture in the Material settings. Then choose an image from your device. You'll see the texture appear on your model. And that's how you apply materials and textures in Prisma 3D. Play around with different settings to create realistic surfaces and unique designs. In the next tutorial, we'll cover lighting and rendering to make your models look even better. See you there.